an inorganic product of fusion which has cooled to a rigid condition without crystallization. Properties of glass. Glasses are extremely important optical material होते हैं, usually used made to be transparent in visible spectrums. They are not crystalline solid. ये crystalline solid नहीं होते. Do not exhibit optical anisotropy. ये optical anisotropy को exhibit भी नहीं करते. It is used in prism, lenses, windows and glass. ये use होता है prism में, lenses में, windows में. Next is properties of fused silica. Most type of glasses are made by fusing sand with other chemical. Pure fused silica is an insulator having all the characteristics feature of insulators. It is in infrared due to vibrational absorption. The transparency range is from 200 nanometer in ultraviolet to beyond 200 nanometer in infrared. Fused silica is used extensively in the fiber optics industry. Synthesis of different glasses, chemicals are commonly added to silica during the fusion process to produce a whole range of other types of glasses. Mixture of fusing sands and other chemicals like sodium, potassium, calcium. The presence of these additives can alter the refractive index and transmission range. These are mixed with curds and melts at high temperature, 1800 degrees centigrade. At the end form, the solid object is clean and grand. Metals, the characteristics optical feature of metal is that they are shiny. The shiny appearance due to their very high reflection coefficient. High reflectivity is caused by the interaction of light with the free electron that are present in the material. Reflectivity of silver. The reflectivity of silver is close to 100% in ultraviolet and infrared and 80% in visible region. Reflectivity drops sharply in ultraviolet. There is a strong reflection for all frequency and below characteristic cut-off frequency called plasma frequency. Characteristics color of metals. Some metal have characteristics color. For example, copper has pinkish color and gold has yellowish. Doped glass and insulators. The color glass can be controlled into two different ways. The first way is the most obvious way is the variation of composition of dopants, and the next is the size of semiconductor crystallites within the glass can be very small, and this have effect on the color produced. There are so many except, but in this chapter following are discussed crystal symmetry, electronic bonds, vibronic bonds, density of state. What is crystal? A crystal or crystalline solid is a solid material whose constants such as atom, molecules, or ions are arranged in high-order macroscopic structures. Study of crystal and crystal formation is known as crystallography. We discussed crystallography in semester 1. And next is crystal symmetry. Symmetry defines the order resulting from how atoms are arranged and orientated in a crystal. There are three elements: plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry. Plane of symmetry क्या होता है? The plane of symmetry also called mirror plane. इसे mirror plane भी कहा जाता है. It is a plane by which the crystal may be divided into two halves. ये plane होते हैं crystal की जिसे divided करते हैं दो में, which are mirror image of each other. The ninth plane of symmetry of cube. Next is axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is a line about which crystal may be rotated for 360 degrees centigrade until its assumed congruent position and may be equal to 2, 3, 4 or 6 but not 1. Center of symmetry, an imaginary point in a side the crystal where all the faces and sizes of the crystal are the same distance. Next is optical anisotropic. A crystal is said to be anisotropic if its properties are not same in all directions. ये जो है क्रिस्टल जो है वो कहलाता है एनोस्ट्रोपिक. इसकी जो प्रॉपर्टीज हैं वो ऑल डायरेक्शन की सेम नहीं होती. Anisotropy is only found in a solid because liquid and gases do not have any preferred direction. The degree of anisotropic found in a crystal depends strongly on the point group symmetry that it possesses. Next is electronic bands. The atoms in a solid are packed very close to each other with their interatomic separation approximately equal to size of atom. Characteristics optical physics in the solid state. Optical properties of solid differ from those of its constant atom, depend on the type of material we are considering. In some material, there will be whole range of new effect. In other, difference may not a great molecular materials. In molecular material, absorption spectrum of solid film that are equivalent dilute solution would be very similar. Density of state क्या होता है? The number of state per unit volume is called density of state. The number of state within a given energy range of a band is expressed as density of state function G of E. Number of state is the energy range E to E plus dE is G of E dE. Macroscopic models, there are various types of macroscopic models. We discuss classical, semi-classical, fully quantum. In classical model, in classical approach, we treat both the medium and light according to classical physics, example dipole oscillator. And next is semi-classical model. In semi-classical model, we apply quantum mechanics to atoms, but treat the light as a classical electromagnetic waves. For example, interband absorption is our typical. Band gaps can be direct or indirect. In direct band materials, both the conduction band minimum and valence band maximum occur at the zone center where wave vector k is equal to 0. In indirect band, both the conduction band maximum and valence band minimum occur at the zone center where wave vector lies on k is equal to 0. Next, third is fully quantum model. Final approach is fully quantum treatment. This is the realm of quantum optics. Both the atoms and light are treated quantum mechanically. We use this approach implicitly whenever we refer to the light as a beam of photon and draw a Feynman diagram. Feynman diagram is a diagram that show happen when elementary particle collides. जब elementary particle collide करते हैं, elementary particle fundamental particle होते हैं, that's are not made of any particle, किसी और particle के साथ नहीं बने होते. In Feynman diagram, the particles are allowed to go both forward and backward in a time. When particle is going backward in a time, it is called anti-particle. And chapter 2, propagation of light in a dense optical material. There are three atomic oscillator, vibrational oscillator, free electron oscillator. Transparent medium, light passes completely through the medium. Light जो है वो pass हो जाती है completely medium के through. For example, air, water, glass. Transparent medium, light passes partially through the medium. For example, tracing paper. आपकी medium light cannot pass through the medium. Light जो है वो medium से pass नहीं होती. For example, wood, ball, metal. Optical frequency, the most important contribution from the oscillation of atomic oscillator, bound electron within the atoms, vibrational oscillators, ionic molecule, free electron oscillator, metal and doped semiconductor. Atomic oscillator क्या होता है? The atoms and oscillating dipole was originally proposed by Hendrix and Tom Lords in 1878, proceeding the Hertz. A negatively charged electron and positively charged nucleus from electric dipole whose magnitude is proportional to their separation. The application interact with external electromagnetic waves at frequency. The electric wave field exerts force on the electron and the nucleus drive the oscillation. Atom absorb energy from the light wave. Vibrational oscillator, this consists of two charged atoms bound together in a stable configuration, and the charged atom can vibrate without their equilibrium position and induce oscillating dipole. For example, polar molecule, free electron oscillator, metal and doped semiconductor by contrast contains significant numbers of free electron. As the same implies, there are free electrons that are not bound to any atoms, do not experience any restoring force when they are displaced. Next is dipole oscillator model used to calculate the frequency dependence if refractive index and absorption coefficient. Lorentz model, Hendrik Lorentz was a late 19th century physicist. As to these formula can be simplified further if we working at frequency close to resonance. At low frequency, amplitude has finite value. At high frequency, amplitude vanished. At resonance frequency, amplitude is imaginary and maximum when denominator is minimum. One important except of resonant Lorentz dipole is that the effect on the refractive index occur over a much larger frequency range than the absorption. Thank you so much.